Our first question comes to us from Janet. And Janet wants to know exactly, how do lawyers make their money? How do they decide how much a claim is worth?
Well, Morgan, that's multifaceted. The easy answer is your claim is worth what the jury would give you. Now, the big question is, how do you determine what a jury is going to give you? And there's never been a case like yours. There have been a lot of cases that have been tried that are similar. So we try to use our experience. I've been doing this for 30 years. Marty, how many years have you been at this?
14 now.
14. So between us, we got a lot of time. And then we got Carl Reynolds here at the office. I think he's been doing it for 40 or 45. He says 80, but I don't know about that. But there are a lot of years of experience here. And we're trying to predict factors that go, well, there are a lot of factors that we use in predicting what the outcome from a jury would be if they heard the facts of your case. And there are many, many factors. And the first factor you go to is, and before you ever make a recovery, is whose fault was this accident? Was this a clear liability? Was there some fault on yours? Was there a third driver that maybe was involved? So you look at that, and you look at, were there any aggravating circumstances? Was the defendant on the phone? Were they drinking when they were doing it? When they were driving? Was it unreasonable speed involved? So that's a major factor that can cause your damages to go up. How much property damage was done? Juries, we don't, but juries equate minor damage to minor injury, major damage to the vehicle, major injury. That really is not true. I've seen a lot of relatively minor damage claims that the injury was terrible and the person ended up with surgery and long-term deficits from it. And then you see a car that's flipped over multiple times and someone walks away with no injury. So I don't put a lot of stock in it, but hey, it's what a jury thinks, and that's the way jury thinks. You also look at how the plaintiff presents, how does the defendant present? If the plaintiff is a likable person, juries tend to find a reason to award damages someone they like. Another factor that has nothing to do with the injuries or the fault, but where is the venue? Where can the case be brought? That can cause a case's value to go up or down. Then you look, and those are factors that have nothing to do with the actual injury itself. Then you look at the injury itself. How do you evaluate the injury? You look at the type of injury. Is it a broken bone case? Is it scarring and stitches? Was it life-threatening, even for a short period of time? I mean, that goes into the mental pain and suffering aspect of a claim. Or was it a soft tissue? And then soft tissue injuries can be broken down into surgical and non-surgical. So after you determine the type of injury, then the damages that you can claim, assuming you prove fault on the other driver, are first special damages, and those consist of the amount of your medical bills, and then the amount of your loss of income. And then the next type of damage are the general damages, and those are pain and suffering, which encompass how long did you treat, was the injury permanent, how did you do each and every visit. All of these aspects go into us evaluating a claim. So it's not as simple as kind of one call, that's all. You look at a case and boom, you got all these factors we consider.
Okay.
That's a long answer for a simple question.
But it's so important. And when it comes to getting that award, everybody wants their money.